I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. Reversal candles are my green light to step out. Once the body weakness, I'm done. Impulse trades are not marathons, they are sprints. I take my points and reset. No attack, just rhythm. Here we will open a buy trade, and I will explain the entry logic. Let's highlight the working area. We are focusing on this section of price movement. First we look at the fractal indicator and we can see that after the local high was updated, a price correction took place, forming a new local low. Stop guessing in trading, start learning. In my Telegram I give free lessons, strategy breakdowns and 80% win rate signals every day. Join the Sawyer community, let's grow together. Accordingly, the next movement should go upward. On the MACD, we can see a crossover of the moving average lines, the MACD line crossing the signal line from below upward, which gives us a buy signal. We also see previously strong volume levels on the MACD histogram, confirming this upward movement. About 15 seconds remain, we can already see the result. The price movement has gone sharply upward. This crossover worked perfectly and the trade closes successfully in profit. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. Here we will open a sell trade, going against the main trend. Because based on the MACD readings, I can see that a further pullback is likely to happen. We've observed a MACD crossover from top to bottom, just in the opposite direction. We can also see that a new local high has formed. And accordingly, the next movement should go downward. The upward movement was quite strong, so now the market should form a healthy correction. And as we can see, the trade will close successfully in profit. There are just a few seconds left until the end, and the result is clear. The trade closes in profit. When price explodes, most traders lose focus. The noise, the rush, the instant movement, it's overwhelming. But impulses aren't chaos if you have seen them 1,000 times. I breathe slower when the chart moves faster. Calmness keeps execution clean. Making consistent profit isn't like it's knowledge. That's why in my Telegram I teach strategies step by step and give daily signals with strong accuracy. Join the Sawyer community and learn how to trade like pro.